Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English with Friends. I am Jessica, and I am so happy you are here. Today, we are going to practice simple English conversation for beginners and improve our speaking skills together.
Hello, friends. I am Leo. It is great to see you again. Today, we will talk about your weekend routine. This is a very useful topic because weekends are part of everyone's life. We will learn how to describe what you do on Saturday and Sunday.
Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps our channel and supports more learners to find easy English lessons.
Yes, and remember, the lesson will follow listen, discuss, listen again. First you listen, then we explain vocabulary. Then you listen again and try to repeat or answer. Let's make learning fun and easy.
Leo, let's start by explaining the word routine. Routine is what you usually do every day or every week. It is a sequence of actions. You can say, my weekend routine is simple.
Exactly, Jessica. A weekend routine includes what you do on Saturday and Sunday. For example, I wake up early, I eat breakfast, I go for a walk, or I watch TV. These are all part of my weekend routine.
Let's start with some simple vocabulary, friends. Repeat after us. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, wake up, go to bed, relax, watch TV, listen to music, read a book, exercise, walk, meet friends, visit family, go shopping, cook food.
Great! Let's make simple sentences with these words. I wake up at 8 a.m. on Saturday. I eat breakfast at 8:30 a.m. I watch TV in the morning. I read a book in the afternoon. I meet friends in the evening.
You can also use I usually or I sometimes to describe how often you do something. For example, I usually go shopping on Sunday. I sometimes cook for my family.
Perfect, Jessica. Let's begin the listen section. Listen carefully, just relax and hear the conversation.
Leo, tell me about your weekend routine.
My weekend routine is simple. On Saturday, I wake up at 8 a.m. I eat breakfast. I usually have eggs and bread. I go for a short walk in the park. Then I watch TV or read a book in the morning. In the afternoon, I sometimes visit my parents or meet my friends. In the evening, I cook dinner and relax. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
That sounds nice, Leo. My weekend routine is also simple. I wake up at 9 a.m., I eat breakfast, I like toast and fruit, I clean my room and my apartment on Saturday morning. In the afternoon, I go shopping or watch TV. I listen to music in the evening. I call my friends or family, and then I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Great! Now let's discuss the sentences slowly and explain the new words.
Wake up means to stop sleeping. Eat breakfast means to eat your first meal of the day. Usually means most of the time. Sometimes means not always, but occasionally. Afternoon means the time after 12 p.m. before evening. Evening means the time after afternoon and before night. Relax means to rest or enjoy yourself.
Perfect! Let's also explain some actions. Watch TV means to look at television and enjoy programs. Read a book means to look at words in a book and understand the story or information. Go for a walk means to walk outside for exercise or pleasure. Meet friends means to spend time with people you like. Visit family means to see your relatives.
Now, dear learners, let's do some repetition. Say after us. I wake up at 8 a.m. on Saturday. I eat breakfast. I go for a walk in the park. I watch TV in the morning. I read a book in the afternoon. I meet friends in the evening.
Excellent. Great job, friends. Keep practicing your pronunciation and your sentence structure.
Now, let's listen again. Leo, tell me about your weekend routine. And try to imagine yourself doing the same things.
On Saturday, I wake up at 8 a.m. I eat breakfast. I usually have eggs and bread. I go for a short walk in the park. Then I watch TV or read a book in the morning. In the afternoon, I sometimes visit my parents or meet my friends. In the evening, I cook dinner and relax. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
On Sunday, I wake up a little later. I eat breakfast and then I go shopping in the morning. I listen to music or watch TV in the afternoon. I clean my house and sometimes cook special food for my family. In the evening, I call my friends and relax. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Great. Now let's expand and talk about common weekend activities in more detail.
You can say, I exercise in the morning. This can be walking, running, or doing sports at home or gym. I visit my friends means I go to see them and spend time together. I go shopping means I buy things like food, clothes, or other things. I cook food means I prepare meals for myself or family.
You can also say, I clean the house. I do laundry. I read a book. I listen to music. I relax on the sofa. I watch a movie. I play games. I sometimes go to a park or a cafe. This gives more details about your routine and makes your conversation interesting.
Let's do another listen section. Just listen and imagine.
Jessica, what do you do on Saturday morning?
On Saturday morning, I wake up at 9 a.m. I eat breakfast, I clean my room, I go shopping, or sometimes I watch TV. I listen to music, and then I meet my friends in the afternoon.
That sounds fun. What about your evening?
In the evening, I cook dinner or I order food. I watch TV or read a book, and then I go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
Great. Now repeat and practice with us.
I wake up at 9 a.m. on Saturday. I eat breakfast. I clean my room. I go shopping. I watch TV. I listen to music. I meet friends in the afternoon. I cook dinner. I relax in the evening.
Excellent. Now let's talk about Sunday routine.
On Sunday, I wake up a little later. I eat breakfast. I go for a walk. I read a book in the morning. I visit my family in the afternoon. I sometimes clean the house. I relax in the evening and go to bed early.
Fantastic. We also use words like early, late, usually, sometimes, always, never. This helps describe frequency. For example, I usually wake up at 8 a.m. on Saturday. I sometimes go shopping in the morning. I always call my parents on Sunday.
Great. Let's do a small role play. You answer and then repeat your answer.
Jessica, what do you usually do on Saturday morning?
I usually wake up at 9 a.m. I eat breakfast. I clean my room and go shopping.
Perfect. And you listeners, say after me. I usually wake up at 9 a.m. I eat breakfast. I clean my room. I go shopping.
Now, dear learners, let's quickly review today's vocabulary and phrases. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, wake up, go to bed, relax, watch TV, listen to music, read a book, exercise, walk, meet friends, visit family, go shopping, clean the house, cook food.
You also practiced using usually, sometimes, always, never. This helps describe frequency. For example, I usually wake up at 8 a.m. on Saturday. I sometimes go shopping in the morning. I always call my parents on Sunday.
Great! Now it is time for our community question. What is the first thing you do in the morning? Write your answer in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Thank you for listening. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing your English, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Stay happy and keep learning.